Hi everyone, please excuse the mess. Not that I think that you can actually see very much of that, but this room gets rather messy with all the animals that get to come out and enjoy it. And right now you will see down here, of course, that little Miss Sunny is enjoying a box that a hair cooler, or a hair straightener, I believe. Cooler. No, it's a hot thing, sorry. But it's see-through. And she's been enjoying going in and out, and I don't know if you can actually see that very well. But this is the things that you do for your birds. I just see things that I think, Sunny will really enjoy climbing in and out of that, and she can see, of course, at the same time. And you can see Leo, who's saying, please let me out. I really want to enjoy all those things as well. And you'll see Lily wanting to come out. She's just come out of her sphagnum moss tub and is letting me know she wants to come out, and I'm going to get Lily out first, and we'll do some handling of her being a bigger snake. And I'm sorry that you can only see my hands, but I want you to kind of see the background here. But you know, often it's, you know, how do you handle a snake, and is there a right and a wrong way to actually do that? And there certainly is right and wrong ways. So I will get Lily out, and then I will get back to you once I actually have her. And I have to be mindful, of course, that I have Sunny and I have a big snake out, and I do believe that Lily will not be bothered with the bird. She will be more like me actually holding her and her wanting to go up onto the hangout spot, of course, which we all know Lily likes. So yeah, I will get Lily out. I thought I'd show you getting Lily out. I did put Sunny away because I know that she's likely to jump onto my hand or something while I'm holding Lily, and yeah, it would be rather difficult. So Sunny's not very impressed when I put her home, but that's life, and she's been out all morning. And once Lily gets settled in the hangout area, I will allow Sunny to come back out. But in the meantime, we will get my girl out, and like I said, we will start with the bigger snake, and then I'll show you handling, you know, a much smaller snake, and how I feel is a good way to actually hold them, and what I see is the right way to hold them. So if I get this girl coming over to me, and it, you know, that sphagnum moss is really underneath her head. Can I have your tail too, darling? Thank you. I know you would like to go up, but I would like to do a video, and you'll see that when I'm getting Lily out. I am giving her lots of support of her body. I like to get them out and hold, at least support this area, of course. And as you can see, Lily makes the decision to hold me in a way that makes her feel comfortable. And you know, with the prehensile tail, it is like a hand for them to use for support. Now, you do know that, of course, you know, I don't handle Lily a lot. she's allowed to come out, and you can see that Leo is not concerned that she is climbing on his enclosure, but she's just, oh hello darling, Mum will be here in a minute, okay? I was trying to get this video done before the little man woke up. Taylor went out for a minute or so, and yeah, Nana's doing a video. Yes, she is. So, do you want to sit down there for a minute? Yes. So, it is about just giving them lots of support, and Lily has a hold of my foot with her tail, and of course my little man's here, and my dog is here, and the birds are all here, and you can see, you know, Lily is really supporting herself, and she's moving her tail all around the place as well. But the main thing is to always make sure that they do have lots of body support, hey? And then you don't really mind at all. And also, you know, Lily has been with me for such a long time that she also knows I'm under no circumstances am I going to let her fall or anything like that happen to her. So I get a little bit more grace with her in terms of, you know, she will support herself with me now. She knows that what I'm doing is keeping her safe from actually falling to the ground, no matter how I hold her. But the best way is make sure that a fair amount of their body is supported in some way, and they will be comfortable with you, won't you, Lil? You're quite comfortable with Mum. So, you know, that is a bigger snake. A lot more body to support. Your body will become their support. Whether I'm standing up, whether I'm sitting down, it really it really doesn't matter to Lily. She knows, you know, I can let go of her, and then she will take over all by herself in supporting herself. And she's like coming around this way, and little mister is going to stand right in front of the camera, and there's Lily. You know, she knows what to do. But if you have a snake that isn't so sure, be sure to hold and make sure they know that you're holding them and they're not going to fall. That's what it's all about, them just knowing they're not going to fall. So the next bit of the video is I'm going to be showing you with a much smaller snake and what you should and how you should hold them. So I will be back. So I am back, and I know I'm a long way from the camera because I want to be in it so that you can actually see me, as well as my little one here, who is Car. And even though he is a yearling, he is still a little snake. And as you can see, you know, he likes to wrap himself around my fingers and around my hand and everything to feel very safe and secure. And these little ones are so easy to handle, really, because you can very much do it one-handed. And again, it comes back to the snake, where I can tell you they are going to make sure that they're secure with you, as much as they're relying on you to make sure that you're going to keep them nice and secure. so they relax, you know, in the knowledge that you're handling them properly and doing the right thing by them. Of course, again, I am not forcing Car to do anything that he doesn't want to do. You know, I can get him to untwist, of course, and not be so hooked up on my hand, and I don't like them to be twisted. So if you do, you know, make sure that their belly is down and not twisted around this way and their head the other way and so forth, because that's very, very uncomfortable for them. But as you can see, I just make sure that they are feeling nice and safe and secure, that their body is supported, and as they move, you move. You know, Car is starting to go on up my arm, and as more of his body gets up there, he tightens down there a little bit in case he slips off. This part does a fall, he knows he's not going to hit the ground because he's hanging on with his tail. Car is still a little comfortable being handled. I can't say that he's not. He is very, very curious, but I have to be very mindful of not, you know, going too fast with my hands towards him, not because he's going to try and bite me. It just frightens him a little bit, that's all. So in the reality of it, how do you handle your snakes? What is the best way to handle your snakes? Just keep them nice and secure. And the more of their body that is on something, the more secure they will actually feel. That is the truth. They like their body to be well supported. Big or little. Though, like I said, once your snake gets to know you and trust you, they're very comfortable in how you hold them. When you get a baby, they're a little bit unsure, but they can fit in the palm of your hand. Well, a lot of them can, especially the Antaresia, and but they learn to trust you and know that wherever they go, you're going to be there to hold them. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, your friends, your snakes. And Kari's just wanting to come up and say hello to me, are you not? I've just cleaned out his enclosure for him, so he's going to go back in there to a nice clean enclosure. Take care of our family, friends, snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.